Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ilmarich. I am from University of Management and Technology. Today the topic which I am going to present in front of you is about the medical effects of cosmetics on the vital organs. As we people know, in the present era, the use of cosmetics has become tremendous. No matter which field is either medical, engineering, fashion industry, drama industry, or anything else. The cosmetics has become a very important part of our life. So today we will discuss about the harmful effects of cosmetics on the vital organs. So first of all, I will discuss about the table of contents in which we first discuss about what are the medical effects of cosmetics on vital organs. Then we discuss what are its alternatives, and then what improvements can be done to reduce cosmetic problems. So first of all, we will check that which type of effects a cosmetic is going to do on our vital organs and on different parts of our body. Cosmetics, when used externally and as directed, are generally considered safe and do not have direct negative effects on vital organs. But however, certain cosmetics may contain ingredients that can be harmful if ingested or applied to sensitive areas. So here we are going to discuss some examples which can be ingested by us by mistakenly and can cause serious diseases in us. So the first one type of that cosmetic which is going to harm us is the lipstick or lip balm which we use in our daily routine to much extent. So these products are often ingested to some extent. While the small amount typically used are unlikely to cause the harm, some lipsticks may contain trace amount of heavy metals like lead, which can be toxic if ingested in the large quantities over time. As the lipstick is used in our daily life, and these lipsticks are going to have the very dangerous heavy metals like lead. So when it is some amount of it is just going to be ingested in our body, it is going to cause the serious diseases. The other cosmetic which also have harmful effects on the body are the nail polishes or the nail polish removers. These products contain chemicals like formaldehyde, toluene, and acetone. Exposure to these chemicals in small amounts during normal use is generally safe. However, excessive exposure or inhalation of these substances in poorly ventilated areas can cause respiratory issues, headaches, and in rare cases, liver or kidney damage. As these chemicals like formaldehyde is volatile in nature, so that's why when the bottles are just open, they begin to evaporate, and after evaporation they just go inside our lungs through breathing. So in this way they are going to cause many of the vital organs in our body like lungs and like respiratory tracts, etc. And there is one more type in which our vital organs are going to be affected, and these are the hair dyes. In today's era, people use tremendously hair dyes, and these hair dyes contain ingredients such as ammonia, peroxides, and paraphenylene diamine (PPD). These chemicals are generally safe for external use on hair, but they can cause skin irritations, allergic reactions, and eye damage if they come into contact with sensitive areas or ingested. So we have to be very careful while using these dyes. So as we studied, they are going to contain a very dangerous chemicals. One is ammonia and peroxide and paraphenylene diamine. So we have to be very careful in the use of hair dyes, and in present era a lot of people use these dyes, so it means they all are going to face such chemicals, and due to these chemicals their vital organs are also going to be infected. The third one type which has become the fourth one type which is used so commonly in our homes is the skin creams or lotions. Some skincare products may contain ingredients like hydroquinone, corticosteroids, or retinoids. These substances can cause adverse effects if used in excessive amounts or for prolonged periods. For example, long-term use of corticosteroid creams can lead to the thinning of skin, while excessive use of retinoids can cause skin irritation and photosensitivity. The use of such creams and such lotions which contain such a harmful chemicals not only cause the thinning of our skin, but it also promote the growth of hair on the different parts of body, and also especially on the facial part. so which is going to have a very bad look on us. So we have to be very choosy while choosing the skin creams and skin lotions. It is important to note that the cosmetics are regulated by various agencies such as US Food and Drug Administration to ensure their safety. Manufacturers are required to list ingredients on product labels, and consumers should read and follow the instructions and warnings provided. So, whenever you are going to go through the use of any cosmetic product, first check either it is verified, either it is safe, and also check the warnings being mentioned that a particular use is allowed to use on which part of body and on which not. So it's very important for us to play an important role to protect our vital organs from such harmful cosmetics and the chemicals which are just going to be present inside these cosmetics. So, if you have specific concern about a cosmetic product or you experience any adverse effects like redness after using one, it is advisable to consult a healthcare professional or contact a poison control center for guidance. So, you can stop the spreadness of further disease or poison in your body and to make yourself protect from that. So, that's why you have to consult with some professional person. So these are the cosmetics, and these products are having tremendous use in our daily life. And in present era, if I see, it's become a very crucial thing in our lives, and it is a thing to whom to replace it is become a difficult task. So we can't promote our drama industry, we can't promote our fashion industry, we can't promote other fields as well without these cosmetics. So here I'm going to discuss some alternatives which can be used on the behalf of chemical based cosmetics, and can reduce the risk of diseases in the body on the vital organs as well. So first one type is the natural and organic cosmetics. These are the cosmetics which are just going to be obtained from the natural products, so they are going to minimize the effects on our vital organs. So look for cosmetics made from natural and organic ingredients without harmful chemicals. These products are often formulated to be gentler on the skin and may have fewer synthetic additives, so they are going to be much safer as compared to artificially designed cosmetics. The other one alternative can be mineral makeup. Mineral based makeups usually use natural minerals like iron oxides, zinc oxides, titanium dioxide to create pigments. These products are often free from harsh chemicals and so suitable for sensitive skin, as they are not going to have any harsh chemical which is just going to cause the redness or any other disease. So it can be a good alternative of the cosmetics. The other are vegan cosmetics. Vegan cosmetics are the products that do not contain any animal derived ingredients and are not tested on animals. They are cruelty free and ethically provided. So we prefer these cosmetics on the cosmetics which are just going to have a lot of harmful chemicals. The other one cosmetics are dye cosmetics, the most important type of cosmetics you can create at your home using simple and natural ingredients found at home or purchased from stores. Dye options allow you to customize products to your specific needs and provide potential health additives. One example, if I discuss one example of dye cosmetics, like some people use bleaching creams to improve the color of their skin. In spite of using that bleaching creams, which are just going to have a lot of harmful chemicals, we can also use lemon, because lemon is also going to have the same bleaching properties as a bleaching cream has. So it can be a very good alternative of the cosmetics, and it is also much inexpensive and also safer to use. So we should prefer these cosmetics, such type of cosmetics as well. The fifth type is ayurvedic or herbal cosmetics. Ayurvedic or herbal cosmetics use traditional plant based ingredients with therapeutic properties. They aim to enhance natural beauty and promote overall wellness. So, the sixth type is waterless cosmetics. Waterless are solid cosmetics such as solid shampoo bars or powder based products, reduce the need for preservatives and packaging. So as they are less in need of preservatives and packaging, it means they are going to have much less amount of harmful chemicals as compared to those which are in the liquid form. And if they are in liquid form, it means we are just in need to be a lot of preservatives, and these preservatives are also chemicals. So if we use the waterless cosmetic, they are also going to promote our health and also environment friendly as well. The seventh one type of alternative which can be used over the cosmetic is the minimalist makeup. Embrace a minimalist approach by using fewer cosmetic products or opting for multifunctional items. This can simplify your routine and reduce the number of products you use. Okay, so it can also be a very important alternative. The eighth one is oil based skin cares. For example, if some person is going to have very dry skin, then in spite of using creams or lotions which are just going to have a lot of harmful chemicals to reduce the roughness or to reduce the dryness of skin, we can use some natural oils like coconut oil, jojoba oil, or argan oil can be used as alternative for moisturizers, makeup removers, and even in the makeup formulations. So whenever we have to remove the makeup from our face after a party or after any event, in spite of using harmful face wash which may are going to have a lot of chemicals, just use these oils, and they are also going to facilitate your skin and not going to harm your skin, and they are also less expensive as compared to very expensive products. And the ninth one is focus on skincare. Prioritize your skincare routine to maintain healthy and glowing skin. When your skin is well nourished, you may find that you need less makeup to achieve the look you desire. So we should, in spite of spending a lot of money on just cosmetics, we should have such a food which is going to make our skin naturally glowing and shiny. So we are in less need of chemical based products. Remember that everyone's skin is different, and what's work for a person may not work for another. It's essential to patch test any new product to check for sensitivities or allergies. If you have specific skin concern or condition, it's best to consult with a dermatologist or skincare professional to find the most suitable alternative for you. So, what are the improvements which can be done to reduce these problems? To reduce cosmetic related problems and ensure safer use, several improvements can be implemented by individuals, manufacturers, and regulatory authorities. So, if we want to reduce such problems, all these personalities have to work all together, as we can't reduce the risk only by one person. So, here are some suggestions, and by fulfilling these suggestions, we can reduce a lot of problems as well. So first one is education and awareness. What happened, a lot of people in our surroundings use different formula based creams which is just going to have a lot of steroids and chemicals which is just going to cause the thinning of skin and also promote the hair growth on the skin, because the people are not educated and not have enough awareness. The people are just concerned with the skin that is going to be very white, but they don't have enough idea that healthy skin is more beautiful than a white skin. So the first one point which can play a very crucial role is that educate consumers about the potential risks associated with certain cosmetic ingredients and the proper use of cosmetic products. This can be done through public health campaigns, informative product labeling, and accessible online resources. And the second one is ingredient transparency. Encourage manufacturers to provide comprehensive ingredient list on the product labels, including potential allergens and harmful substances. Clear and transparent labeling help consumers make informed choices. So when it is written in a clear way, then they can make sense easily that what one is going to be beneficial and which one is going to be harmful for us. The next type is saver formulations. So promote research and development of saver cosmetic formulations, reducing the use of harmful chemicals, preservatives, and known allergens. Encourage the use of natural and organic ingredients, wherever possible. So we have to design such formulas which are not going to be so much harmful. So if the persons or the peoples are going to use the cosmetics, they are not going to be harm the skin as well as he is doing. And the other one is independent testing and certification. Encourage third party testing and certification of cosmetic products to verify their safety, efficiency, and adherence to ethical standards such as cruelty free and vegan certificates. So in this way, this is one of the best method which can reduce the problems as well. The other one is regulation and oversight. Strengthen cosmetic regulations and oversight by regulatory authorities. Regularly update guidelines to reflect scientific advancements and emerging safety concerns. So people are well aware about each and everything, and they think before choosing a particular cosmetic product. The other one is consumer reporting system. Establish the accessible and efficient reporting system for consumers to submit adverse reactions or concerns related to cosmetic products. This feedback, this feedback can help identify potential users and trigger investigations. So, if this system is implanted, what is going to happen if someone is going to use a product and that product is going to have the harsh effects? Then it means it is just going to post it, and other people can easily make sense that the particular cosmetic is just going to be harmful for the other person. So they also become somewhat careful before using that particular product. So in this way, the harmful effects of the cosmetics can also be reduced. The other one and the seventh one is environmental sustainability. Encourage the use of eco-friendly, sustainable packaging and materials to reduce waste and environmental impact. The promote the concept of clean beauty that consider not only personal health but also environmental factor. So we should separate such methods which are going to be environment friendly, and if they are environment friendly, it means they are just going to overcome a lot of problems. So by adopting these improvements, individuals and stockholders can work together to create a safer cosmetic industry, reduce potential problems, and promote consumers' health and well-being. So if we follow these things, these rules, regulations, and these advancements, and these alternatives, so we can reduce the risk of cosmetic harshness on the vital organs to much extent. Thank you so much.